This is the swallow balloon capsule. By saying swallow balloon, we mean this is a balloon in a collapsed state. It is totally decompressed. It is made out of polyurethane, which is a very soft material and it is very easy on the stomach. So that is the reason it can be compressed in this form. And this whole collapsed balloon is folded and it is covered in a vegan capsule. And that's how it is held in the form of a capsule. Now, how do we introduce this swallow balloon capsule? It is swallowed by a person. The person opens the mouth. The balloon is placed on the posterior aspect of the tongue and the person is asked to drink water continuously. Once the person drinks water, automatically with the swallowing movements, the balloon passes into the stomach. This is seen radiologically on an X-ray, or we can see it on a CR machine. Now the balloon itself is not radio opaque, but this connecting wire this tubing is radio opaque. So what we see is that this tubing is entering into the stomach. So once we've confirmed that, then we can inflate it. What's the precaution we need to take? We need to make sure that this balloon does not inflate in the food pipe, which is the esophagus. No, because that will be a big problem and it is a major complication. So once this is confirmed by X-ray radiologically that this tubing is into the stomach, this is inflated. Now this capsule is attached to a narrow pipe, a tubing, which is used for delivery of the fluid. So once this capsule enters into the stomach, at that time the covering, which is the vegan capsule, it disintegrates. Once this disintegrates, the balloon opens up. Once the balloon opens up, then we are in a position to put in the fluid. We can connect it to the fluid. Now there is a pressure bag. To this pressure bag, we connect the fluid and under pressure we push this fluid into it. The fluid enters through this and the balloon inflates. And once this balloon is inflated in your stomach, the balloon looks like this. There is 550 ml of fluid in it and this balloon will occupy a lot of space in the stomach. Normally, if we want to diet, our stomach is empty. We'll be able to eat as much as we want, but try to control ourselves to lose weight. We try to control our appetite. How does this balloon help us? It will occupy a lot of space in the stomach and thus you will feel full most of the time. And this helps us to lose weight.